Want to use SmartPay. This is it. SmartPay, click on SmartPay. Now on SmartPay, you credit yourself. Okay, so you need to send money into this place. Now after that, after sending money into this place, you must use OPay, PalmPay, Kuda. So either of the three, because those are the three banks that will give you session ID. Okay, so once you have gotten your session ID, after you've sent money into this account, then you just view the transaction history from your bank and you just copy it here. So once you paste it, then you'll be credited. Only and only if the money has been received by providers. You know how bank works. So you just send money now, you paste your session ID. It may not reflect, or the money may not be credited. Why? Because providers has not received it. So you need to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. You know how bank works. Okay, so that is how to use SmartPay. So SmartPay is very stressful, so that is why we have bank accounts here. So just click on bank transfer. That's your account number. Thanks for watching.